Hello and welcome to episode 26 of We Bought a Fixer Upper. A lot of people have been asking me, do we have a project completion date? No, we don't. Originally, when we started this project in February of 2020, best year ever, the projected time was about 6 months, and we're going on almost 11 months now. And we still don't know when it's going to be ready. But that brings us to issues that arise. I don't know if you watch HGTV. I love HGTV. I love all the renovation shows on there and everything. Been watching it for years, and whenever stuff shows up as far as drama or issues, I'm like, that's so fake. That doesn't happen. Yes, it does. It really does happen in real life. Whether it's weather that has set us back a couple of months with all these different issues that we've been having. So if rain comes in and washes out the basement where we're getting ready to put all this concrete and everything, it throws everything off. That set us off a couple of months. We've had windows that have come in, brand new windows that came in broken and took almost 2 months to get replaced. Or say you have really good subcontractors that are supposed to work on a Saturday. Say they work on a Saturday, don't work on a Saturday, and then show up late on Monday, get fired on the spot, and then they have a big tantrum. Oh, that's fun. That's hypothetically speaking, of course, though. So we are going to go over some of the things that's been done in the past week. Everything's been primed. So I got my camera woman there. Can you do a little, we're going to look around if I don't trip over stuff. Everything has been primed. You can see the scaffolding right here. And up on the ceiling, the shiplap is up there. Oh, Joanna would be so proud. We have shiplap. And then, so the scaffolding will stay there until they're done. Can you look up there too? All right. Can you look at the walls? I have my professional 10-year-old camera giggly girl here. So let's walk through. All of this has been primed. So the ceilings and the walls have been primed. The only thing that has not been primed is some of the trim that's right there. And my husband is going to get that. I think he said he's going to try to get that done today. But we have quite a few people coming tomorrow to work. So let's walk down the hallway. If you remember, Alex said this is a hallway.
Yes, it's down.
Yep. And then here's the laundry room. I'm going to be painting this white. Hopefully tomorrow because I'm off work, and if I can squeeze in here and get that done, once this is painted, then we can put the cabinets in here, and that'll be a great step just to get some of that stuff out of the way. So we're going back here. That's one of the cabinets that's going in the laundry room right there. Let's walk in here. Another thing that I will be painting is the closet. So our little walk-in closet here, I'm going to paint this white, and then we have all of the stuff coming in that my husband special ordered it from the internet, and so we're going to have all that put in, and then we'll have a nice walk-in closet. Let's go take a look outside. Dominion came. They came and they cut down the tree. So as you can see right there, they came and cut it down, and we are responsible for removing it. So now we have 3 big chopped up trees that are just laying in our yard. But once the house gets complete, then we will start working on the outside. Can you look out there? You gotta look out there. Okay. So one thing that we are looking at possibly doing is putting in a pool, but that will all depend on where the sewer lines for the septic system run in the yard. If they run in the wrong place and we can't fit it in there, then it's not going to work, and we're just going to have to make the best of it and maybe put down a concrete pad. So anyway, that's circle around. So that's it for today's episode. Stay tuned. We'll keep you posted.